So what is meant by homogeneous equation? According to the definition, f of d into y is equal to some phi of x. Okay, if f of d into y is equal to, if phi of x is equal to 0, so this is homogeneous equation. Okay, similarly, if f of d of y or into y is equal to some phi of x which is not equal to 0, function in x which is not equal to 0, this is called non-homogeneous equation. Okay, so now our main intention is we have to solve this kind of equations. Okay, so that means in the previous problems, if you observe all the right hand side for a given differential equation, all are zeros. So for that sake, we have done complementary function as a solution. Okay, but for non-homogeneous type of questions, we'll get two type of solutions. One is complementary function and one more is particular integral. Okay, so complementary function is nothing but as usual we'll do by homogeneous equation, right? So we have to equate left hand side equal to 0 and like previous method only we'll continue for complementary function. But for particular integral, we equate this one is equal to phi of x divided by f of d. So where f of d is nothing but the quotient of y in the left hand side. Okay, so yp can be evaluated by yp is equal to phi of x divided by f of d. Okay, so in this way we'll write to find particular integral. Again, in this one we have different methods for solving such kind of equations. Okay, so in that first method is when right hand side having exponential function. Okay, so when your phi of x is equal to some exponential function, we have type 1 equation. Okay, so whenever we get to sine or cos, that is second type of equation. So like that for different functions of phi, we will get different methods for solving such kind of non-homogeneous equations. Okay. Similarly, there is one more operator called 1 by d. Okay. So here previously what I take d is equal to d by dx, which is nothing but differentiation. Okay. Similarly, now what I am going to do is I am taking inverse of it. So this will give my integration. Okay. So 1 by d represents integration, d represents differentiation. So you have to remember these two notations. So we are going to use 1 by d in particular integral here. Okay, so d in complementary solution. Fine. So this is the outline of how to solve non-homogeneous equations. Okay, now let us come to type 1 equations. That means whenever you get exponential functions in the right hand side, like this, e power ax. So how the solution will be? Okay. Solution is nothing but very simple. You have to replace a with d in the function of d. Okay. So e power ax by f of d is there. You have replaced d with a. Okay. So what about the result will come? That is called the solution. Okay. So that means if we get yp is equal to phi of x by f of d, if that phi of x is e power ax divided by f of d, then to get your solution, So yp is equal to e power my ax divided by, instead of d, you have to replace with a. So f of a will get. So this, if you evaluate this, that much will be the solution. That's it. Okay. Similarly, suppose if this f of a equal to 0, so at that time your yp will be equal to multiply one x in the numerator, that means x e power ax divided by differentiate this function. So that means f dash of a you will find out. If this denominator will become 0 after substitution. So at that time you have to multiply x in the numerator and differentiate in the denominator. Clear? Similarly, if this also becomes 0, if f dash of a also becomes 0, so at that time what I will do, again I will multiply one more x in the numerator, so you will get x square e power ax divided by, in the denominator as usual I put f double dash of a. So that means one more derivative has been added. So like that it will continue. Okay, getting what I am saying? Getting right? See, in your class, most of the times I am observing no one is listening in the mobiles. Frankly, I can say. Day by day, I am losing the hope on your class. No response, nothing is there. Don't expect that same questions will come to internals. Okay. So I have prepared a separate list of questions for internals. So that cannot be done in class. Those solutions won't be available in the class. If you want to copy in the exams. Okay. So no way. I am giving completely different set of solutions for this one, internals. Clear? If you listen this, then only you can able to solve that. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So please do respond while the class is running. Okay. So, okay, we'll continue. Suppose again this f double dash of a is also 0. At the time what happens? Again multiply one more x in the numerator. That means x cube e power ax divided by f triple dash of a. Okay. So that's why I'm sending recorded video also. For what sake I'm sending? If you are having any trouble in listening the class, later you can download that and you can listen. Okay. So every facility what I can give, I am giving it. Okay. So make use of that resource and do well in the exams. Okay. Again and again I am saying, if you want to copy and if you want to pass and you want to get more marks, that won't value your degree. Clear? Free marks won't get value to your degree. Whatever you learn, that will value your degree. Even if you get 70% of mark and you are having good knowledge in the subject, you can able to survive. And if you are getting 90% of mark and you don't have any knowledge, no one is going to accept that. That will be a remark on your degree. Clear? So not only my subject, I am saying about overall. Clear? Okay, we'll continue.
Sure.
So we have a problem like this. So if you observe previous problems, right hand side we used to have 0, but this time we have exponential function. Okay, so whenever you get exponential function, we have to do the solution like previous. So which I have explained now. So let us get into the problem. So here I have to write first this in terms of notation form. What do you mean by notation form? Let us see. 6d square will get plus 17d plus 12 into y is equal to e power minus x. Clear? So here d by dx is nothing but capital D, d square y by dx square is nothing but d square, capital D square. Okay, so first to get a complementary solution, okay, equate LHS equal to 0. That means 6d square plus 17d plus 12 into y equated to 0. Okay, from now onwards we will do as usual like previous problems in the yesterday's class. How we did like that. Okay, so in the complementary solution as usual. So this one I'll solve it by formula. First I have to convert this into auxiliary equations, right? So therefore implies the auxiliary equation is how much? 6m square plus 17m plus 12 equal to 0. Okay, implies m equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this one equal to what is b? 17. So minus 17 plus or minus root of b square. B square means 289 will get 17 square minus 4ac. 4 into 6 into 12. How much? 288 will get divided by 2 into 6. So m equal to how much? Minus 17 plus or minus root 1 divided by 12. So implies what about m1 and what is m2? Minus 17 plus or minus 1 divided by 12 you will get. So minus 18 by 12 is m1, which is equal to 3 by 2. Similarly, m2 is equal to minus 16 by 12, which is nothing but minus 4 by 3. Fine. Implies the complementary solution is how much? Yc is equal to, what is the nature of these roots?
Distinct.
Real.
Real and distinct.
So real and distinct means how to write the solution for it? C1 e power that distinct root. So you'll get minus 3 by 2 x plus c2 e power one more distinct root into x. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you need to find particular integral. Solution. The particular solution is nothing but your yp, which is nothing but phi of x divided by f of d. So what is phi of x? That means right hand side e power minus x is there, divided by 6d square plus 17d plus 12. Okay, so what I said, yc or yp is equal to, we have to substitute x quotient in the place of d. Okay, what is x quotient here in the numerator? E power x
Minus
quotient.
1.
So I'll get
Minus
minus 1. So e power minus x divided by 6 into minus 1 square plus 17 into minus 1 plus 12. So this one is equal to e power minus x divided by 6 minus 17 plus 12. So yp equal to e power minus x divided by
1.
1 you'll get. So therefore, clubbing these two solutions will get general solution. So the general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. So which is equal to, what is yc? Yc is nothing but c1 e power minus 3 by 2x plus c2 e power minus 4 by 3x. Okay, next plus yp e power minus x. So this is the general solution for your given differential equation. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. We go for next one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now again we have this one. So before going to that, right hand side we got hyperbolic function, cos hyperbolic function. So the definition of cos hyperbolic function is nothing but cos h of x is equal to e power x plus e power minus x by 2. Similarly, sine hyperbolic function x is equal to e power x minus e power minus x by 2. So this definition we are going to use in this problem. Okay, so given y double dash plus 2y dash plus y is equal to cos h of x by 2, implies, write this in terms of notation form. So y double dash means second derivative. Second derivative can be written as d square plus 2d. So what is the y quotient here? 1. So into y is equal to cos h x by 2. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll find complementary solution. Complementary solution, which is nothing but take left hand side equal to 0. So d square plus 2d plus 1 into y equal to 0. So implies the auxiliary equation is how much? M square plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0, which is implies m plus 1 whole square equal to 0, implies m1 equal to m2 equal to how much? Root is repeated here, so I'll get minus 1. Okay, so what is the complementary solution for repeated roots?
C1 plus x C2.
So complementary solution is first yc is equal to first degree polynomial in terms of integrating constants. So that means first degree polynomial means c1 plus c2x into e power, what is that repeated root, into
Minus
x.
1.
So minus 1 into x. So this is your complementary solution. So when the root is repeated for twice, first degree polynomial you have to write. When it is repeated for thrice, second degree polynomial you have to write. So like that it will continue. Fine? So next, particular solution. So particular solution is nothing but yp is equal to phi of x divided by f of d, which is equal to phi of x cos h of x by 2 divided by f of d is nothing but d square plus 2d plus 1. So this one equal to, I'll convert this in terms of definition. So that means e power x by 2 plus e power minus x by 2 divided by, I'll write that 1 by 2 here. Okay, so d square plus 2d plus 1. Getting? Otherwise, if you get confused means whole divided by 2 whole by d square plus 2d plus 1. So this one is equal to 1 by 2 into e power x by 2 divided by, I am splitting this. So d square plus 2d plus 1. Next plus e power minus x by 2 divided by d square plus 2d plus 1. So this one is equal to 1 by 2 into, what is the quotient of x in the power?
1 by 2.
So we'll get 1 by 2. So e power x by 2 divided by, substitute 1 by 2 here. Whole square is 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 plus e power minus x by 2. Here what is the quotient of x in the power?
Minus 1.
Minus half.
So
Minus 1 by 2.
Minus half whole square plus 2 into minus half plus 1. So this one equal to 1 by 2 into e power x by 2 is, what is this one? If you cancel it, 1 by 4 will get 1 plus 1 will get 2 plus e power minus x by 2 divided by 1 by 4. So 2 to get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1, that also get cancelled. So this one is equal to, finally, yp is equal to 1 by 2. So e power x by 2, what is the total fraction? 1 by 4 plus 2.
9 by 4.
9 by 4.
9 by 4 e power minus x by 2 divided by 1 by 4. So yp is nothing but, if you take it reverse and cancel it, so you'll get 2 by 9 e power x by 2 plus 2 into e power minus x by 2. So I have multiplied this 2 inside, so I'll get 9 by 2 will get here 1 by 2. If you reverse it, I'll get this much. So this is yp. Therefore, the general solution is so how much? Y is equal to yc plus yp. So what is yc? Yc is nothing but c1 plus c2x into e power minus x. Plus yp is nothing but 2 by 9 e power x by 2 plus 2 e power minus x by 2. So like this you'll get. Fine? Getting?
Yes, sir.
Let's go through it once. If you get any doubts, you ask. Fine? Go for next problem. Solution. Here d cube minus d square plus 4d minus 4 into y is equal to sin h of 2x plus 3 he has given. Okay, so this is nothing but, first I will write given equation d cube minus d square plus 4d minus 4 into y is equal to sin h of 2x plus 3. Okay, so the complementary solution is so this is nothing but take LHS equal to 0, that means d cube minus d square plus 4d minus 4 into y is equal to 0 implies auxiliary equation is the m cube minus d square, sorry, m square plus 4m minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so how to solve this? Either by using synthetic division or you can take common here. So if you take common as m square, you'll get m minus 1. Next to plus 4, if you take common, m minus 1 equal to 0. M minus 1 into m square plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so implies m1 will be equal to 1. Next, m square plus 4. This is nothing but m square is equal to minus 4 implies m is equal to plus or minus root minus 4. So m is equal to plus or minus root minus 4. It is
2y.
2i. So we got m1 equal to 1 and remaining m2, m3 are pair of complex numbers. Okay. So whenever we get pair of complex numbers, how to write the solution? Yc is equal to, first write for real root. Real root is m1. So c1 e power m1x. So 1x plus complex root. How to write? E power real part of this number is how much?
0.
So we'll get 0 into c2 cos imaginary part is 2x plus c3 sin 2x. Okay, so implies yc is equal to c1 e power x plus c2 cos 2x plus c3 sin 2x. Okay, similarly we will find particular solution. So particular solution is nothing but yp, which is equal to phi of x divided by f of d, which is equal to phi of x. Phi of x is sin h of 2x plus 3 divided by d cube minus d square plus 4d minus 4. So which is nothing but, write this in terms of definition, sin hx. So sin hx is nothing but e power 2x plus 3 plus e power minus 2x minus 3, sorry, here minus a little middle, divided by 2 whole divided by d cube minus d square plus 4d minus 4. So this is nothing but 1 by 2 into e power 2x plus 3 divided by, I'll write in the next step. So I'll take 1 by 2 aside, e power 2x plus 3 divided by d cube minus d square plus 4d minus 4. Next minus e power minus 2x minus 3 divided by d cube minus d square plus 4d minus 4. So which is equal to 1 by 2 into how much? Just to substitute this x quotient in the numerator. Sorry, that is in the power. X quotient is how much?
2.
2. So that 2 you have to substitute here. So e power 2x plus 3 divided by 2 cube minus 2 square plus 4 into 2 minus 4 minus e power minus 2x minus 3 divided by here quotient.
Minus 2. Minus 2.
So minus 2 whole cube minus 2 whole square plus 4 into minus 2 minus 4. Okay. So now this one is equal to 1 by 2 into, so how much? E power 2x by plus 3, 8, 2 cube 8, 8 minus 4, 4, 4 plus 4 minus 4, it will get cancelled, 8 will remain. Plus, sorry, minus here. Here how much? Minus 8, minus 4, you'll get minus 12, minus 12, minus 8, minus 20, you'll get again minus 4. So minus 24 plus 24 you'll get. E power minus 2x minus 3 divided by 24. So therefore yp is equal to e power 2x plus 3 divided by 16 e power minus 2x minus 3 divided by 48. So therefore the general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. So this is nothing but c1 e power x plus c2 cos 2x
Sir,
plus
in the
c3.
denominator, we are getting 8 for both, no, sir. Minus 8, minus 8.
Yes,
Once check the denominator, sir.
denominators. What happened?
Once check the denominator, sir. I'm getting minus 8 and minus 8 in both.
No. Here, minus 8, 8 cube. Minus 2 cube means minus 8 will get. Here, minus 2 square means plus 4, right? So, plus 4 into minus, you'll get minus 4 again. 4 into minus 2, again minus 8, again minus 4. So, you'll get minus 16, minus 8. So, minus 24 only.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Next, plus this one. Yp is nothing but e power 2x plus 3 divided by 16 e power minus 2x minus 3 divided by 48. So this is the general solution for your given differential equation. Fine. Let's go through it once. We'll go for one last problem. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So try to do this problem. What will be the roots for this equation? We'll get m power 4 plus 4 equal to 0. What will be the roots for m power 4 equal to minus 4?
Plus or minus I root 2.
Yes? Plus
Plus
or minus?
I root 2.
Root 2, no. Root minus 4 is there.
I root 2, sir.
M equal to minus 4 plus or root of, sorry, whole power 1 by 4 will get. Total 4 roots you should get, right? We need to get 4 roots. So for that sake, for this you have to apply synthetic division. That will be better. Even if you apply synthetic division, how much will you get? Okay, let us check. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 plus 2. Even if you apply synthetic division, you won't get the answer. Okay. So for that sake, what we need to do is I can write this one as m m power 4 plus 2m minus 2m plus 4. If I apply, what happens? Plus 2m minus 2m get cancelled. Again, you will get the same equation. Okay. So I get one combination. 4 m power 4 plus 2m plus 4. At that time I should get here n cube or here I can take this one as m power 4 can also be written as m square plus 2 minus 2m. So now If I take whole square for this, m square plus 2 whole square minus 2m. So if I take like that, you'll get m power 4 plus 4 plus 2 into m square into 2. So you'll get 4m square minus, for to equate this, I should get here minus 4m square. So minus 4m square equal to 0. So that means this combination you have to take for solving this kind of equation. Okay. So I can write this as m square plus 2 whole square minus 4m square equal to 0. I can write m power 4 plus 4 as like this. Okay. Now what I'll do is, it is of the form a plus b, a square minus b square. So it can be written as a plus b into a minus b, right? So m square plus 2 plus 4m into m square plus 2 minus 4m equal to 0. Now we'll get total 4 roots. Okay. So in this way, you need to find the roots for this. M square plus 4m plus 2. Sorry.
Sir, is it 4m or 2m?
No?
2m, sir.
Yes?
It
M
will be
square plus
2m, right?
2m plus 2.
2m, no? M square plus 2.
A square minus b square.
A square minus b square. Sorry, it is 2m. It is 2m. Correct. So this is of the form a 2m whole square. Okay, a plus b into a minus b, so it is 2m. So roots for this 2 you need to find. That's all. Okay, will you do from this? Just to get complementary function, it will be a bit tough. So that one I told. So you need to find the solutions by using the formula. Okay. So make use of quadratic equation roots formula, minus b plus r minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Make use of that for solving these two equations, so that you'll get 4 solutions. Okay. So try to get, if you are not getting, we'll do it tomorrow. So we'll try this. So this one is equal to, just go through it once. If you are not getting, I will do it by tomorrow. So next here, d square minus 4 into y is equal to cos h of 2x minus 1 plus 3 power x is there. Okay, so implies complementary solution is how much? Complementary solution is nothing but d square minus 4 into y equal to 0 implies m square minus 4 equal to 0 implies m square equal to 4 implies m equal to plus or minus 2. So therefore your yc will become one root is plus 2 and one more root is minus 2. So they are real and distinct. So for real and distinct, c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power minus 2x will get. Okay. Similarly, we need to find particular solution. So for doing particular solution, what we need to find? Yp is equal to phi of x divided by f of d. So which is equal to cos h of 2x minus 1 plus 3 power x divided by d square minus 4. So yp is equal to, I can write this definition as e power 2x minus 1 plus e power minus 2x plus 1 divided by 2 divided by d square minus 4 plus 3 power x is there. I will write it separate. 3 power x by d square minus 4. So therefore yp is equal to, I will take 1 by 2 common here. So e power 2x minus 1 divided by d square minus 4 plus e power minus 2x plus 1 divided by d square minus 4 plus 3 power x can also be written as e power log 3 whole power x divided by d square minus 4. Okay, e log get cancelled, 3 only will get. Okay. So yp is equal to 1 by 2. Now if you substitute 2 inside d, what happens?
Infinity.
So you are getting infinity, right? So for that sake, what I have to do is multiply x and differentiate in the denominator with respect to d. So what happens? X e power 2x minus 1 divided by differentiate it. How much you'll get? 2d you'll get with respect to d. Next, plus here also if you substitute minus 2 whole square, minus 4. So you'll get 0. Okay. So whenever you are getting 0, what I said? Multiply with x in the numerator and differentiate in the denominator. So you'll get 2d. Plus here how much? Log a power m. M log a, right? So I can write it as e power x log 3 divided by d power 2 minus 4. So yp is equal to 1 by 2 into how much? X by 2 you keep aside. 1 by d means integration, right? So integral of e power 2x minus 1. E power 2x minus 1 divided by x quotient 2 plus. So here also x by 2 you keep aside. Again 1 by t means integration. So e power minus 2x plus 1 divided by 2 with minus 2. Plus here x quotient is what? Log 3. So substitute log 3 in the place of d. So e power x log 3 divided by log 3 whole square minus 4. So therefore yp is equal to, just take this 1 by 2 also inside. How much you'll get? Or take 1 by 4 outside. So you'll get 1 by 8 common. X e power 2x minus 1 minus x e power minus 2x plus 1 plus again this can be replaced with 3 power x divided by this can be written as 2 log 3 minus 4.